when you will be bullish in Bank Nifty and why? Again, don't ask me half questions. What time frame are you talking about? Are you asking me when I will be bullish on Bank Nifty intraday? I am already bullish. If you are asking me when you will be bullish on short swing time frame, there is a different answer. When you will be bullish on higher time frame, I am already bullish. Okay, so what time frame you are asking me? Short swing. Okay, great. So that is a complete question and I can easily answer that. So this is the range. Okay, so for that we were tracking on Bank Nifty. We tried to close below the range. Today we get some opening lower and quick rejection back inside the range. So looking at this information alone, what I understand, status quo time frame might be trying to defend this range. They want to defend the range. They want to create demand at lower levels, all right, and supply at higher levels. That is the top and the bottom. How will I know should I be bearish or bullish? Obviously, if I am looking at in context of the range, at the lower end of the range, I have to be bullish because that is where I expect status quo time frame to be active. So then I try to find out where can I get a long trade. So I come to intraday trading guidelines. What am I seeing here? VWAP has turned a little bit flat. There is still some slant to it. So if it starts going higher, I can buy this, right? Or it does not do this. It goes higher, takes out this high, even better. Goes sideways, pulls the VWAP up. I look for no supply signals and I go long again. What are my targets? Yesterday's HVN and VWAP. So HVN is somewhere here, VWAP is somewhere here. These are my two targets for short term. Make sense? Now, if it goes above this HVN, then I am bullish on even higher time frame, because then what happens? You come to this chart, you are finding acceptance above this. You are likely to go where? Clustered highs, poor high. So you will go even higher. One reference at a time. Simple. Don't complicate things. Make sense? So what happens, what mistake traders often make is that they want to know beforehand that if I buy here, tell me, Dean, that market is going to reach here, or where should I buy that gives me confirmation that market will reach here. Okay, don't do it like that. Look at the big picture, and in the bigger context, what do I see? I see that I am at the bottom of the range, so status quo time frame likely to defend. I will not look at any other information for the time being. What I will look at is that can I get a low risk entry on shorter time frame. Okay, now whatever your trade is, if your trade is a bullish credit spread, then you have to manage it differently. So you will have to find your adjustment levels, you have to select the strikes accordingly, and you manage your trade according to rules for bullish credit spread. If you are a naked option trader, option seller, I don't advise you to carry your short options overnight without hedge. Okay, so if you are hedging it, it becomes a bullish credit spread or bearish credit spread. If you are a daredevil futures kind of a trader and you want to carry your futures positions overnight, I would like you to hedge it with a long option. So if you are long future, your hedge is long put, not a short call. Short call is not a hedge. Long put is your hedge. So that way you can carry your futures positions overnight. Okay, so depending on what you are trying to do, you can use this information to take a position. All right, and if it, let's say I am a short-term trader, I buy the pullback to VWAP. If it goes below VWAP, I'm out. Anyways, I don't have to wait for market to hit this. If I'm a bullish credit spread trader, I'm not worried about this. Then I can even look for this to provide support, which probably it comes here, again gets rejected. That's also in my favor. Okay, it does not work like that. It goes and hits the 50% mark, my adjustment level. I roll it down. I probably, if the conditions permit, I establish a bearish credit spread and I manage my bullish credit spread that way. So it depends on, one, what your trading objective is, second, what your trading time frame is. All right, so as per your short swing time frame, I gave you an idea what you can do. You have to take the short term signals and then see and wait for the follow through. If follow through comes, good. If it does not come, either you hedge your position or you book your profits or scratch it or whatever it is. What is happening is, you can look at it in multiple ways. Either you say that this was a separate HVN, this was separate HVN, we came, we took support, went higher. in the process repairing this. Now when we are coming back down, we actually don't have a HVN before this. That is one way of looking at it, and that is somewhere 21,100 zone. Or you can say that this whole thing was just a single auction, right? This attempt to move lower and again back up higher. So basically what happened is something like this. We went consolidation, went bigger consolidation or wider range, went higher, failed, consolidating on top of this range and trying to enter this range, right? This is the way you can look at it. So I am considering